Lights, community, action. That's Christmas as we know it, before the coronavirus arrived in town. Global social and economic disruption, mass cancellations and postponements of events, worldwide lockdowns, and the largest economic recession since the Great Depression of the 1930s. 2020 has been heavily defined by the COVID-19 pandemic. Not even immemorial traditions and customs were exempt from the consequential restrictions of the new virus strain. And of all the words and phrases that this year has given us, essential services seemingly takes the win. So what is essential in celebrating Christmas 2020?
The most important thing for me while celebrating Christmas is to be with the family and to be able to really connect with the real purpose of Christmas and to be able to wish my loved ones, my friends and colleagues and convey them our Christmas greetings and remain connected with the community as we celebrate Christmas.
Christmas 2020 will be a Christmas that will go down in history. It will be a Christmas that pretty much everyone who will be alive a decade or two hence will never forget. COVID has taken away from us that huge sense of security that will predominantly be the base of any happiness or any joyfulness that can occur in anyone's life.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, or hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine.
At the beginning of the decade, 2020 vision became an overnight global meditation as we ushered in new hopes, ambitions and dreams with the new year. And as it unfolded, it was a vision 2020 for a year we did not see coming. Today, as we stand at the threshold of the year's end, we reflect on this extraordinary journey of a lifetime as we continue to engage in the fiercest fight our generation has ever witnessed. It is a powerful testament to the courage that overcomes fear in the midst of uncertainty and to the hope that endures beyond circumstance. And in case we have forgotten, this battle is a reminder of the resilience sustained by that very hope for a future marked by Christmas tidings of peace, prosperity and progress. A future developed by divine inspiration and integrity.
COVID has its positives too. I have never had this opportunity to spend 8-9 months with my 2 elder children who are otherwise always studying in various universities and campuses. So to me, that is one valuable gift that COVID has given me. I'm able to born again with my children who have been more or less in boarding for so long, so many years of their lives. Likewise, I am sure that if families now instead focused on the values of family, Christmas is actually not a season that is public in nature, because it is a season where we welcome Christ the King, who was born on a Christmas day, who will come into our lives and will change our perceptions of the world, give us hope, give us strength, because there are so many unforeseen events that happen in lives of individuals. And if there was no God who would give us that hope, and if there was no rebirth of our Christ the Lord, all of us would be groping in the dark. All of us would succumb to the frustrations of our lives. Because Christ has relived again and is reborn again on Christmas Day, we have a hope that humans too can be reborn.
Christmas 2020 will forever be a Christmas to remember. May we find strength in the solitude of this holy night and truly connect with the essence of the Nativity story. That in thankfulness we may learn to trust that the moment's pain and labor will eventually birth a world of miracles, creating space for altruism to renew weary hearts with a rekindled spirit of love, joy and peace. Although the onset of COVID-19 brought with it a cancellation policy that has imposed itself upon many aspects of our social interactions, traditions and customs, there are a few things that COVID cannot cancel. The magic of Christmas.
Merry Christmas, friends. Be safe as we celebrate this Christmas and remain connected with the real purpose of this Christmas.
On behalf of the members of the Legislative Assembly, from our family to yours, I wish you a very safe and Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year 2021.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night, oh, night divine. So this is Christmas, and what have you done? A new one is over, a new one just begun, and so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun. The near and the dear
So this is Christmas for weak and for strong, the rich and the poor ones. The road is so long. So happy Christmas for black and for white, for yellow and red ones. Let's stop the fight. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. So this is Christmas. What have we done? Another year over. You won't just begun. And so happy Christmas. We hope you have fun. The near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year, and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. So this is Christmas, and what have we done? Another year over, a new one just begun. So this is Christmas for weak and for